Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your short filmmaker business. Suppose as the owner of short filmmaker business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to share my portfolio, respond collaboration inquiries and book discovery calls with brands and creators. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your short film maker business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, "Can you show me the recent projects?" After typing, you will see I'm getting the response. "Hey there, welcome to Cine Plus Studios, create of meaningful short film and visual stories. What would you like to explore today?" Now we have two options, latest short film, project collab. Now we simply click on latest short film. After clicking, you will see I'm getting the response. Now we have a summary of latest short films. Now we click on project collab. If someone wants to collab, then easily do. So simply click on project collab. After clicking, you will see I'm getting the response. Awesome. Let's get to know you. What's your full name? Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I'm getting another response. Thanks test user. What's your role on area of interest? Brand, writer, musician, actor. Now simply I am typing actor. After typing actor, you will see I'm getting another response. Got it. Brief describe the project you'd like to collaborate on. Now I am typing, I'm a good actor and XYZ. After this, you will see I'm getting another response. Here's what I got. Name test user, role actor, project idea. Now we have an option discovery call. If you want to connect on call, simply click on it. After clicking, we have another option. In this, we enter date and time, 25 May 2025 and time 10 AM. After typing date and time, I'm getting our last message. Thanks test user, will review your idea and contact you soon. So you will see I'm getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows, we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on flows. This is our flow builder page. Now we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we want to create our new chat flow. Simply click on add flow button. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot that is WhatsApp chatbot for your short filmmaker business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our chatbot. Now we enter keywords. Hello, hey, and Sean. Now we enter regex. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. If the user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we haven't choose template option. With the help of template, we can also trigger our chatbot. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Hey there, welcome to Cineplus Studios, creators of meaningful short film and visual stories. What would you like to explore today? Now we add a buttons. Latest short film Project collab. Now we connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. If user press latest short film, then we will send over this message. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a name from user. Now select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format. Now connect project collab button to this question box. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask an interest from user. Thanks. $full name. What's your role of area of interest? Now you will see we are using asterisk and $sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. And why we use $sign? When user enter their name, the $sign replace their name with full name. Now we select the contact custom field, collaboration, and select the format, that is text format. Now connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box and write some message on it. Got it. Brief describe the project you'd like to collaborate on. Now select the contact custom field, demo, and select the format, that is text format. Now connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Here's what I got. Name, role, project idea. If user enters their details, then we will send details for confirmation. Now connect this question box to this message box. In this box, we also add discovery call button. Now we take another question box and write some message on it. If user press discovery call button, then we will send over this message. In this box, we ask a date and time from user. Now select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this discovery call button to this question box. Now we take text button and write our last message on it. Thanks, $full name. Will review your idea and connect you soon. Now connect this question box to this message box and simply save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for short filmmaker business. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and write short film. After typing short film, you will see I'm getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.